back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make shortbread cookies. It's holiday time, Christmas time. Who doesn't want cookies? Guys, these cookies are crispy and buttery. Y'all remember the little blue can that you get in the store? That's what these taste like, and simple, quick, and easy. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, we are back and ready to make our shortbread cookies. Oh my goodness, this is an amazing shortbread cookie recipe. 5 ingredients, easy, quick, simple. We have our flour, our powdered sugar. Now I have my powdered sugar in a liquid measuring, but I did measure it out with a dry measuring tool. Butter, vanilla, milk. You'll need a big bowl for mixing. You will need, or you can have, these two things are not necessary, but they will make it fun. A potato masher and a decorative serving spoon. Not necessary, but you'll see what we're going to do with those. Also, you'll need a little parchment paper. Okay, I think that's it. Let's get these amazing shortbread cookies made. So our first step is to cream our butter, our sugar, and our vanilla. Now make sure your butter is at room temperature. If you forgot to sit it out or you're doing this on the spur of the moment, you can always put your butter in the microwave for about 10 seconds and it'll be room temperature. Just make sure you don't leave it in there more than maybe 10 or 12 seconds because it will melt and you don't want it melted. Okay, we're going to start to cream our butter, sugar, and vanilla. Make sure you never overmix. This is what your butter and sugar should look like. Now we'll be adding in 2 cups of flour, but we're not going to add it all in at once. This is just all-purpose flour. And a little bit in. This is the first cup, half of the first cup. Second half of the first cup. Once you add your flour in, you want your mixture to look like this, nice and crumbly. Then we're just going to add a spoon or 2 of whole milk, regular milk, until it gets nice and smooth. Okay, after you've added your milk and all your ingredients, this is what your cookie dough should look like. Make sure your hands are nice and clean because you will be handling this. And I am just going to shape this into pretty much a rectangle. You can add a little flour to your fingertips so that your hands won't be so sticky. This is a very soft dough. Take it. And it's okay if the ends are not perfect. I don't want to get it into a square. We're going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Okay, so let's take our cookie dough out and we'll see if we can slice it properly. Okay, I just want to go straight down and away. That one to the side. You don't want them thick, but you don't want them paper thin either. we are just going to lay them on the cookie sheet, ungreased cookie sheet. And these are not perfect squares, but that's okay. They're homemade cookies. And what we're going to do with this is just simply make an imprint in there. And it's actually better if you do it on the parchment paper. Get that imprint in there. And then just peel it off. And that's how you get your decorated cookie. Okay. The spatula and just lift it up. And that's how you get the decoration on. And I'm just going to use that. You can use a little flour. You could use a little flour. Just make sure you shake off any excess. You don't want a lot of flour on top of your cookies. Slice. I'm going to slice a couple of these. Same thing with your knife. You can put a little flour on it. It helps it go right down. Okay. So I am going to knock the rest of these out and we'll be back. We're going to bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until the edges start to be golden brown. Okay, so we've got them all cut out and decorated, so to speak. Okay, and this particular recipe makes 2.5 dozen cookies of this size. Now, if you make them bigger, you're going to get less. Okay, and these are kind of small because, well, I like small cookies. Ooh, they are done. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at the decoration. It was so easy. Now, you know we got to come in here for a taste test. So let me bring you guys up close for this taste test. Guys, you will see my website right up here. Please go over there and join my free, absolutely free email list. I will be sending you guys, anybody that joins, free exclusive recipes that I am not doing on my channel. I mean, you can come here and get all the free content you want, but these are some other recipes that I would like to share as well. Maybe not necessarily in a video, so I'll share those with you guys, as well as when I upload a video. I will also email you every time I upload a video so you can be first to get the recipe. Okay, let's look. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing, guys? The other side, nice and golden brown. The edges are nice and crispy. Woo, let's give this cookie a taste. Beautiful shortbread. Look at the inside. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It smells delicious. Time for me a glass of milk and a cup of coffee. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate you guys, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.